Where is that noise coming from?
I'm going in here. Oh, my girlfriend.
I missed you.
Oh my goodness, I miss you too so much. Oh, baby girl.
Getting squished.
You are? I just want to squeeze you so hard and never let go. Oh, my face.
Oh, my face. Sorry.
What are you looking at?
You.
Oh.
Where's your chapstick? Your lips are all dry. Your face is all dry.
Sunflowers.
Oh, honey. I was gonna bring us something to eat, or I don't know. I brought, and
How long is this visit?
like an hour. But I thought, we could sit and. I know. What do we want to do?
I don't know.
I wish we would have video recorded Keely in the car.
Oh, my gosh.
It was so funny. She was like asleep, but every time Sam tried to show me she was asleep, she woke up and started singing the Jonas Brothers.
Yeah, she was like, she's like, you. You.
What's in here?
I want to give you a hug, okay? I haven't seen you. Trying to record us there.
Yeah, it's hard to turn your hand like, ah.
I hope it's working. And
Buddy, what are you doing?
bye.